Dave, this is Mike Graveley. I'm the DA here in Kenosha. I'm calling because I received an email this morning that indicated that Michael Bell had talked to G. John Ruffalo, who was going to do a resolution for the City Council calling on me to order a coroner's inquest on his son's death from about 15 years ago. And I know he's spoken extensively during citizens' comments for folks, and as the prosecutor, it's really not appropriate for me to sort of make public comments about that in any detail. But I would like an opportunity to talk to you and sort of brief you on sort of my thought process and why I've turned him down. So I wanted to give you a detailed sort of briefing on why that process has happened. I'm hoping to do that this week since I start a murder trial next week. So I have no idea what your availability is or whether you feel that's something you're interested in doing, but hoping you could come to the DA's office sometime late in the afternoon on one of the days this week. If you could give me a call back and just let me know about your availability, my phone number is 653-2687. Thanks very much, Dave. Appreciate it.